Hey there, good morning. I'm back after a very long time and I hope everyone's doing good. I just want to quickly share in terms of, what's happening in ES and, how are things ongoing and which are the areas which I'm looking at, right? So primarily this was the zone where the tariffs were announced. So this is where the inventory got corrected. So primarily overall, if you see the entire structure, we still have got a couple of gaps seen, but overall the inventory was long. Again, a minor correction followed by one more leg of inventory correction, right? So overall, the path was like it was flat. Then again, prices were markup. Again, going up. Again, prices are markup, and now we are in an area where the sort of inventory correction is happening, and this is that particular day. Okay, so overall, there's no change. We are still back within the range, so between 63.20 to 62.40. So this is where the inventory or the supply has shut off, and then again, inventory was accumulated. So those buyers basically who accumulated the inventory here, they distributed the inventory. So the buyers here sold higher, and now again the shorts, they started building the position, and now the sellers here, they are the ones who are closing their position or who are there booking in profits. And again, those previous buyers, they came in, and now again we are having a sort of upward movement, or back to the area where again we will be seeing trapped buyers, right? So overall, nothing has changed. We just had this gap which got filled. We had like sort of this is a bigger balance, so if I combine this three, we will be seeing sort of a bigger balance, right? Now, what I'm really interested to know is like who's trapped where, and if I do want to trade, which are those areas, right? So this is where you will clearly see, identify the areas where is the seller. So this is where there was strong selling seen, followed by this zone. Again, short a lot of supply. So basically, these are the trapped sellers who came in, followed by the sellers here. They became the buyers. So this gives me a visual high level view. Now, by the way, this is on a 30-minute chart. I do use it on a 1 minute or a short time frame chart. But what primarily I'm interested to know is the areas of interest. Where is the inventory getting developed, and which are the zones wherein who is trapped where? Because that's primarily my trade plan or my trade strategy, right? Um, so recently, so we are still in the ETH session. So right now, this was like a correction. So this correction move happened, and this was the zone where the buyers have came in, and they are the ones who accumulated the inventory around the 63.20 zone, and now they are the ones who are selling the inventory a bit higher, right? So again, this is the zone where I'm looking for sellers to step in, or basically who are these sellers? So these sellers are the buyers who are trapped above 64.10. Yeah. So we still have got like 12 more points to go before the 64.10 or 6400 round number. But primarily we are in a zone where I'm not interested to take any trade. Primarily I'll be looking for some sort of inventory correction lower, because right now the inventory is long today. And I'll be primarily looking for accumulation of inventory around the 63.17, this zone and this particular zone. So 63.60 to 63.70, this is the 10-point zone where I'm looking for some sort of accumulation to happen, some sort of accumulation and acquisition of inventory. And if pricing drops lower, I'll be looking for more buying opportunity around this particular zone, right? So from 30 to 63.40, right? So these are my primary zones where I am interested to add to a trade position. Right now, I'm not interested to take a short, uh, because we are in a zone where previously the sellers were spotted, and also the AI is telling me that, yeah, this is an important zone. So let's just wait for an inventory correction. You can quickly scalp. So there might be a couple of opportunities to scalp lower. So let me just go to the smaller time frame chart. And right now, what I'm clearly seeing is, so this is one zone where there are trap sellers. So this is where I can expect some buying happening, followed by this particular bigger zone, right? So this zone. So at the moment I'm seeing buyers trapped. So if as the prices are going to move higher, I will be seeing supply coming in, and those supply is nothing from the buyers who are trapped around this particular zone, right? So again, I'm seeing another sellers, sellers are coming in. So let me go to a second chart. And yeah, this is too much data, so I can't right now take any trades using this data. But primarily, what this is really helping me is to identify the balance zone. So this is one balance zone. So 63.88 to 63.85. This is a 3 point range where I'll be looking for this balance and taking my sort of trade plan, right? So again, switching back to 1 minute. And maybe let me go back, right? So right now, I'm still seeing sellers who are stepping in, and let me just look at the overall delta. So the current delta is positive, and also where are the buyers? So these are the zones where there are buyers trapped, and there is sellers also seen around this particular. So yeah, so this 63.90 is again where I'm seeing negative delta and sellers. So yeah, there are no sort of more sellers here. There are more buyers trapped. So I'm waiting for inventory to shoot up, meaning the delta to move more to the negative side. But primarily, this is the zone where, some sort of buying activity will happen because of the AI, which is suggesting me the inventories and where I'll be looking to add my positions. Okay, so 63.86, 63.86. This is an important reference. This is an important reference zone, and primarily this is where there will be a couple of stops. I'm waiting for price to tag and again accumulate and then uh, distribute higher, right? But right now, we will be going to the accumulation zone. So 63.86 will be a good area. This is just a 1.3 quarters away. 63.86 is an important price, and then followed by 63.83, right? So 86 and 83. So yeah, so those are the some of the areas which I'll be looking to accumulate, right? So yeah, so this is again this indicator I will code it. If you need access, just ping me. I think there is a form which I'll be sharing. So check the YouTube description, and if you need access, these are all available on subscription. So yeah, you can go ahead and start understanding inventory and start using in terms of what is happening, right? So overall, the prices are still moving up. Not interested. I'm just now sitting and waiting closely, watching closely. Great. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.